I'm Valerie Starn, and you're watching The Pulse. We're talking with Philip Yaeger, Executive Director and CEO of the AIDS Services Foundation, Orange County. Philip, your mission is kind of in your title, but tell us more about your organization.
Sure. We were founded 26 years ago. The mission of the organization is to prevent the spread of HIV and AIDS and to improve the lives of the men, women, and children who are impacted by HIV and AIDS in Orange County.
Founded 26 years ago.
Correct.
There have been, so much has happened in the world since you were first founded, and right here in Orange County. Has your mission changed? Have circumstances changed? Describe the evolution of your mission and what you've been able to do for folks.
Sure. In the beginning, HIV and AIDS was basically a death sentence. And the clients that we worked with, our focus was really to make their lives as comfortable as possible and to help them through the dying process. With the advent of the new medications, our focus changed, and we began to really focus on how do we take individuals, improve their health, and hopefully return them to self-sufficiency. And now we have an even stronger focus in our mission, and that is the prevention of HIV and AIDS. So now we really focus on testing, HIV testing, and prevention initiatives to prevent the spread of HIV.
It's such a different situation than when you first started, as you said,
Yes.
the death sentence.
Yes.
How are you involved with the community? What kind of feedback, what kind of support do you get from your Orange County base here and maybe even beyond?
Sure. AIDS Services Foundation Orange County was founded by a group of volunteers, concerned community citizens, and our ability to continue to provide the services we do has always depended on the support of the community. So we have a number of different ways for the community to get involved through our events, and then also volunteer opportunities. The community is very involved in the volunteer aspect of the organization. They run our food pantry, they run our front reception desk and greet people as they come in. But really the financial support of the community has been what has sustained us.
The financial support will be what continues to keep your mission alive. Now, largely are people coming to you because they want to support your organization, because they know someone or their lives have been touched by AIDS, or is it a matter of this has become part of our world today, and because we've understood now how to live and continue the fight, that it's everybody's mission? Right.
I think in the beginning what we found is a lot of our supporters were folks who had been impacted, whether personally or knew of somebody. And what we're finding today is young people today are supporting us because they believe in the cause. They believe in the importance of preventing new infections. One of the things that we do know now is the best thing that we can do for individuals is if they're HIV positive, get them into medical care, get them on treatment, and get their viral load reduced to an undetectable level. That is the best thing that we can do, and that also helps prevent the spread of HIV. With an undetectable viral load, an individual is less likely to transmit HIV to others.
This continues to be your message today. What are the challenges ahead for you in the future?
Well, obviously we need to continue to keep the emphasis and attention on the importance of HIV and AIDS. What we had found is people began to get complacent, began to look at it as a more manageable disease and maybe a pill a day, so less concerned with the prevention aspect of it. So we're really focused on reminding people about the importance of protecting themselves, knowing their status, and getting into care and getting onto treatment.
So if somebody wants to find out more or find out how to support, they go to your website, give us that address.
Correct, www.ocasf.org.
And there you'll also find the different events throughout the year.
Correct.
That allow people to support in fun and easy ways.
Yes, absolutely. We have AIDS Walk that happens in the spring. We have our annual gala that happens at the end of September. This year we'll be at the Disneyland Resort. And then we also have our Orange County Ride for AIDS, which is a 100-mile ride and a 100-metric ride around Orange County. And we're going to have a 30-mile loop this year.
Right. Well, you certainly have a job to do, and we wish you continued success with your mission.
Thank you.
We've been talking with Philip Yaeger, Executive Director and CEO of the AIDS Services Foundation of Orange County, and you've been watching The Pulse. I'm Valerie Starn.